For those of you sharing orders with other StoneSpot accounts, this new feature will help you to relay more information if you desire. So here I am in an account, and on this order, I've chosen to add a delivery date. So here I have August 21st, and I said it's a firm date. I've then gone down and decided to share this order with my supplier. And in my shared settings, I chose to share the estimated delivery date. So let's go to the supplier account or the person that you shared the order with to see what they see. We're going to go over to their order. And when they are opening the order, of course, they see it's from you. They don't see your purchaser information. It's your information that shows up there. But you can see above the estimated delivery date that we actually have this synced value. And that means that they're going to see whatever you keep live in that field. That's different than most other information that we share, where you're able to change it and it doesn't change back and forth between the two accounts. But this, if you change your estimated delivery date, the person that you shared the order with will continue to see in red here this synced value. So they'll be able to keep up to date on what your estimated delivery date is. So if you want them to see that, you share that when you send the order over. And of course, they can set their own estimated delivery date. Maybe they plan to have it out by the 18th, but they can always see what you're planning on or what you've told your customer if you allow them to.